In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily see deleted messages on WhatsApp on an iPhone or on an Android. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. So guys, here we got Android and iPhone, and now I'm just gonna send a message to my another WhatsApp account on an Android device from my iPhone. As you can see, I've got a message here. Let's send some random text. If we enter WhatsApp on an Android, we can see the same messages here. And now let's say our recipient decided to delete some messages. I'm gonna delete all of them for everyone. As you can see, on an Android, now it says these messages was deleted. However, we are still able to see that messages. To do that on an Android, first off, we need to head over to settings. The easiest way to do so is swipe down at any of the home screens and then tap at gear. Once you are at settings, get into notifications, then advanced settings, and then notification history. And that's where we can easily find all the messages that I have sent to my another account on WhatsApp. Obviously, this feature works if this toggle turned on. So first off, we need to turn on saving of the notification history, and all the notifications that we're gonna get in the future will be saved in that log. If we scroll down a bit here, we can see that all the notifications are grouped by the app. Let's say here we got WhatsApp notifications, here we got Telegram notifications, and here we got notifications for any other applications. However, guys, if we wanna see the deleted messages on an iPhone, unfortunately there are no such option here. However, there is also the way how we can see deleted messages. So guys, if we head over to our devices, our WhatsApp settings, and then chats, that's where we can easily find chat backup option, and that's where we can easily make a backup of all our conversations by tapping it right here at backup now. After a while, it will create the backup of all my conversations, including media files. And the key here is that if messages that someone or maybe you deleted from the conversation was deleted after you made a backup, you can easily restore that message from that backup file. Just don't hit add backup now not to remove the messages from your backup file, because when we hit add backup now, it will create the backup of your current messages, and if you delete a message and then make a backup, it will remove that message from your backup as well. So guys, the only way to recover all your conversations from a backup is to reinstall WhatsApp app. So first off, I'm gonna delete WhatsApp in that way. After that, we need to head over to the App Store, search for WhatsApp, then hit Get, then confirm it. It may ask you to use Face ID to download the app, and then just wait for the download to complete. And once the app is downloaded, open it up. Tap at Agree and Continue. Enter your phone number. If it is necessary, change the country. Then hit Next. Then it will ask you if you would like to restore your chat history. Tap at Restore Chat History, and what that will do, that will actually recover all your chat history from the backup file. Now it says that over 25,000 messages restored, and then if we hit at next, we can configure our WhatsApp, we can enter our name, and then we'll be taken to the conversations list where we can easily find all the deleted messages that was recovered from the backup. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.